ọkwe manakalaka na-edu ibe chukwu kwuru n'ọnya emeluge.
Hi guys, welcome back to Igbo Lifestyle with Dera. This space is where we discuss everything that have to do with Igbo lifestyle. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe because we have lots of exciting and educating topic to discuss. And please do remember to drink enough water every day because water is essential for healthy living. There is this saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but this time it is lots of water every day keeps the doctor away. Hope you guys had a fun-filled Easter holiday. As for me, I was home all day, sleeping, waking up and eating. At least enough rest is good for the body, and so hope you agree with me on that. I am so excited on today's topic because it is something I love discussing because I am a hardcore foodie. In fact, I am food and food is me. So today I will be discussing 5 top most common Igbo foods. Yes, these foods are something that you can see in any part of Igbo land, be it at an event, restaurant, roadside buka, or even homes. You can easily see them there. So number 1 in our list is, or maybe I should start from number 5. Number 5 in our list is abacha. Abacha is very common with the people of Enugu. They usually serve it to their visitors first before the main meal. It is more like an appetizer. I personally don't joke with it, especially when there is a keg of palm wine to go with it. In fact, if you want to bribe me for anything, just get a well-prepared plate of abacha for me. Then you are good to go. Number 4 is okpa. Okpa is also common with Enugu people. Okpa is just like snack. You can easily see around. Food vendors virtually sell them in parks, roadsides and market. Okpa can be enjoyed with pap, soaked garri or coke. But funny enough, I don't like okpa. I always throw up anytime I eat it. But it's a very tasty food that doesn't require much time and ingredients. But at the end of the day, you will remember that one man's food is another man's poison. Number 3 is ji. The Igbos don't joke with ji. In fact, it is one of the most important and most common consumed food in Igbo land. We prepare it in many ways, but the most common way we prepare it is with vegetable. We call it jiagorago. I never liked vegetable yam when I was growing up. I prefer eating it with red oil, but today it is one of my favorites. Maybe because I know better now. Yes, because it is highly nutritious. You need to try it out. Then number 2 is osikapa ocha na ofe akwu. Do you know what an osikapa ocha is? It is white rice. This one right here is one of my favorites as well. And any food vendor in Igbo land that doesn't sell osikapa ocha na ofe akwu is actually joking with our business. I must tell you the truth. In Igbo land, it has actually become a norm to cook osikapa ocha na ofe akwu every Sunday. Even if you don't cook every other days, you must cook it on Sunday. Number 1 is nni onino na ofe. Nni onino comes in various forms. It can be nni ji, nni oka, nni ede, eba, semo, and so on. The nni onino can be eaten with any type of soup, be it bitter leaf soup, egusi soup, oha soup, and so on. Maybe in my next video I will discuss some of the most important or the most consumed Igbo soups. So if you are planning to travel to any of the Igbo lands, you don't need to worry about what to eat because we have lots and lots of delicious meals to keep you going. Hope you learned 1 or 2 from my video today or from this topic? If you do, please try to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.